In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Start by opening devices settings and scrolling to hit battery section over here. Now click on battery mode and tap on high performance mode to activate it. This mode will increase power usage and cause your device to heat up if you are leaving it for too long. So after tapping on turn on, you can recognize that high performance mode is enabled thanks to this little icon. To disable it, click on battery mode again, and instead of high performance mode, tap on one of those. High performance one maximizes system performance, but also increases power usage, like we talked about before. Balance mode is the one you should use daily. It balances performance and power consumption. And if because of high performance mode your phone is on low battery, you can click on power saving mode to reduce system performance and turn off some features. Or if you are really desperate with like 10%, you can click on restrict system performance and only allow the use of up to 6 apps at one time, which is called super power saving mode. Anyway, tap on one of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!